walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down.
Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HKGLOW. We're hanging out in the garage. Just we're waiting on Nick to come over. He's having a bit of an issue with his power steering, and Byron's gonna come over and we're gonna get his banner installed, and I'm gonna show you guys how to properly install a window banner here in Calgary. Yes, it is raining again. Our summer has just sucked for car guys and anybody who likes spending time outside. If you don't want to get wet or dirty, it's impossible to keep the cars clean when it's like this. So keep watching and let's do some stuff today. Alright guys, so mark center of your banner, line it up with the center of the windshield, and then now we're going to measure the width of from the window trim down, and make sure it's balanced. Once you have it balanced, then we can move to the next step. Okay, we got it centered, we got it level. Now what you're going to want to do is make a mark, take a piece of tape and mark where the bottom of the banner sits. One thing to make sure is Byron's got sensors in his windshield, so you don't want to cover those up, or like your automatic headlights won't work, your rain sensors won't work. Whatever your manufacturer vehicle puts here, it won't work. It'll cause a problem. So mark the bottom. Now take some tape and tape down the center of the banner.
So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home?
We'll just do it on the other side of the end, so we're not working in the middle of any lettering.
So I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
Okay. Now you're going to want a good squeegee and a pair of scissors. Be careful with your scissors on the next step. What you're going to do is peel off the one side.
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched you damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers against start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make
Okay,
you mine,
it does help with 2 hands. Byron jumped in to give me a hand on the other side. Now with it folded back, just trim off the excess paper. Careful not to run up the paint or the glass in the windshield. Then you take the banner back and you want to put a little bit of tension on it, lining it up with your tape mark.
I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target.
Now once you got it down, just work your way out.
I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on. So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Get so long out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom.
You can take the tape off because obviously it's already pinned down with the actual banner. So just fold it over and walk your backing off. Careful not to be lifting the letters. And same thing. Just take your banner, line it up with your tape mark, and again, work your way out. You're just pushing the air, any bubbles that might be in place, out to the edges. Now you can just work out a few of the bubbles. You may have a few small ones, but in the sun, once the sun hits the banner, most of them will take care of themselves. They'll all work themselves out and flatten out, but you can use a needle and pop a few small ones if you'd like. Just be super careful, and then you trim it out. So we'll trim it out. We'll get it. Make sure it's all tucked in there nicely. Just let the weight of the blade do the cutting. It takes no pressure at all to score the vinyl for it to pull apart. The vinyl really likes to stick to window trim, just an FYI. Okay, there you guys go. It's literally that simple. Take your time, measure twice, and you'll be able to do this as well. Alright guys, Nick's here. And last night he was driving, and what happened was he said his power steering got heavy. Doesn't feel like he has power steering, but obviously the car has power steering, but it's not working. So once he gets to 20k, it works fine. Obviously there's less force on the tires because you're moving and it's easier to turn. So we checked the fuses. The fuses are running. There's no blowing fuses. We checked the fluid, there's lots of fluid, and what we found after Byron did a quick YouTube search is we found on the car the power steering pump right here. The shaft is actually broken. It shouldn't pull out like that. So the belt and everything is spinning, but it's not actually turning the pump to create any power steering fluid pressure, which has caused the lack of power steering. So now he's gonna be driving the car Armstrong. If you guys want to see a vlog on how to change the power steering on your E46, I'll vlog it if Nick's gonna change it, but we'll let you know. Comment below if you guys want to see how to change your power steering pump. So Nick got to do his power steering pump. He took the tint off his windows. It was all folding. His window wouldn't go up and down very well. We've temporarily fixed it so that it will work properly and the tint won't hold it up. Next steps, get a new power steering pump and get that changed. But for now, you'll be able to drive it and just enjoy the car. It's gonna go on the cruise tomorrow with the brigade. And yeah, we're just hanging out in the garage. We need to get an HQ BMW sign for the garage, maybe right there. That'd be a good spot for it. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Should put a big sign there, or maybe we don't want to advertise that this is where HQ BMW is, because the last thing I need is for Quinn to go missing.